It's hard to see your little one struggle with a cough or stuffy nose, which is why you need the best baby humidifier for the job. But which type of humidifier are safe to keep in your baby's nursery? After very careful research, we are going to review 5 best baby humidifier best rated by Amazon users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in description. Number 1, Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Number 2, TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifier. Number 3, Homasy Cool Mist Humidifier Diffuser. Number 4, GENIANI Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier.
Is dry air making your life uncomfortable? I present to you the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from GENIANI. This tabletop humidifier is the most powerful on the market and humidifies any room twice as fast as others, producing an astounding 300 milliliters of moisture per hour. It features a sleek modern design with a large clear 3-liter tank that lasts for up to 24 hours or 3 nights per filling. You can easily control the direction of the moisture with its 360-degree nozzle and adjust the mist settings to meet your desired comfort zone. This filter-free humidifier works silently with its whisper quiet technology and features a soothing optional nightlight for a better sleep. It also automatically shuts off when the water level is too low or the tank is taken off. When you order the ETL-certified Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, you get 24/7 customer support and makes your purchase totally safe. So what are you waiting for? Improve the air quality by ordering your GENIANI Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier today.
Number 5, TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifiers for Babies.